Not much. We're gonna cook some food. Hang out.
Listen to me complain.
Listen to Harry complain.
Oh. I'm filming the puppy, yes. Hello. You can bite my hand, I don't mind.
You got 99 tonight?
No, we got let go.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She's been like that most of the day. So.
Best learn to love the camera. Hello. They don't actually, as a breed, they don't have that much energy either, from what I've heard. They can take them for walks and you like have to carry them home.
I think some people just like to do that.
Yeah.
So I think they're one of those dogs that people don't put enough effort into making like discipline a little bit. So
Oh, yeah.
And when they're little, it's easy to get into the habit of carrying them on walks.
Oh, so they just get lazy, you think?
Yeah, so they get lazy and they also get demanding. So and people will get used because they're vanity dogs. And
Yeah.
people who are in French bulldogs get used to just giving them whatever they want, which makes them little rats. It makes them lazy.
Little rascal.
Excuse me.
Fat.
Excuse me.
Something like that.
The teeth. You're very cute. You know it.
Let me free!